और यहाँ आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं जहाँ पर वफाकी वज़ीर ख़जाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब का तकरीब से खिताब जारी है।
And how I see this coming into play in the larger scheme of things. So, for decades, so for a very long time, our social spending, whether it's in health, whether it's in education, has been measured by inputs. कि budget कितना है, how much of that budget is being allocated, projects which are being launched, and then ultimately about disbursement of funds. But Idi Saab jo apne abhi baat ki hai, it's a very decisive shift, and moving from spending to outcome. And the other very decisive shift is, which you have also referred to, is how we are going to move from public financing alone to structured public-private partnership, because that is going to bring sustainability. So I'm very privileged that about a year back, the Prime Minister asked me to chair a multi-stakeholder task force overall in terms of social impact financing. And we had the development sector experts, we had policymakers, we had technology partners, we had other partners, including BAT. We are very grateful to you, sir, for the guidance that we have provided, and of course, practitioners like Bank of Punjab who were present there, to essentially co-create the social impact financing framework. And this framework actually has two aspects to it. One is linked with the 6 priority pillars. One, and the first one for which we are gathered here today, which is education and human capital. The second one, gender equality and empowerment, and the social impact, the skill bond actually has a component of that, and I'll talk about that. The third one, health and well-being, population stabilization, climate resilience. I've been very vocal, I've been very clear. These are 2 existential threats for Pakistan. And then the last one, obviously, being poverty alleviation. और इसका जो the how part and the measurability part, जो अभी executive director साहब ने जिसकी बात की, having predefined targets, independent verification, time-bound delivery, and fiscal accountability. Now, coming to the first use case, and that's how I see it, कि under this framework, जो अभी आज आपने outcome-linked, performance-based Pakistan Skills Impact Bond, which is being launched by NAVTEC, from my perspective, is one of the best examples of how we can take things forward. So I'm very grateful to you in terms of how you have taken it forward with your leadership, and today we are getting there. Now, there's also a particular focus on young women, and that's where BAT has recommended that at least 40% of the trainees to be women. And the program is therefore designed to incentivize job placement and retention of women. And I think that's absolutely critical if we have to take our country forward, the productivity which is going to have women coming into the workforce, and not only into the workforce, but even more importantly, in leadership positions going forward, is going to play a very, very critical role in terms of how we take the country forward. Ministry of Finance ने जी आपने उसका जिक्र किया, हमने एक बहुत छोटा सा रोल उसमें प्ले किया है, and I'm grateful कि आपने हमारा जिक्र किया. We have provided a ₹1 billion guarantee, essentially to crowd in the private capital and establish credibility. लेकिन जैसे हमेशा मैं आपको बार-बार ज़रूर कहता रहता हूँ कि this is catalytical, right, and not structural. So this is about the proof of concept and getting the pilot going, and based on the success of this bond and its impact, inshallah, the future roadmap we should also be very clear, right, in terms of reducing reliance on sovereign guarantees, attracting institutional and capital market investors, and ultimately operate without government balance sheet exposure, which therefore brings us into the public-private partnership discussion. Because the way I look at it, that's the only way we are going to, जैसे अभी आपने बात की कि not only credible but scalable, और ये बहुत important बात है जो आपने की कि हमने इसको scalability की तरफ कैसे लेके जाना है, and therefore the social impact. So at the end, I would just like to congratulate NAVTEC leadership, the inaugural SteerCo, which sort of worked on this landmark launch. Thank FCDO for all the financial support which went in towards the technical assistance. I would just like to say very well done and Godspeed. Pakistan Zindabad.
की वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब का इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब जारी था। उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा असल मसला नताइज के हवाले से नज़्म ज़ब्त की कमी है। हुकूमत की तवज्जो नौजवानों को हुनरमंदी की तरबियत देने पर मरकूज है। पाकिस्तान की आबादी का ज़्यादातर हिस्सा नौजवानों पर मुश्तमिल है। नौजवान आबादी हमारी सबसे बड़ी मुआशी क़ुव्वत बन सकती है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम 24 करोड़ से ज़ायद आबादी पर मुश्तमिल एक कौम है। सालाना शरह नमू 2.5% है।